Hello friends, welcome back to RC with Popeye. Today I have WPL C14 which has been upgraded with 2-speed transmission. Now this 2-speed transmission comes with a 370 motor. This 2-speed transmission has plastic gears inside, but don't worry, these are strong and durable enough that it can easily handle the torque of this 370 motor. These 2-speed gears are very reliable and I have not seen any problem in YouTube videos. Just in one of the modifications by Tomley RC Garage where he had upgraded it with brushless motor. Now that's a different ball game itself if you want to upgrade with brushless motors. Otherwise, this plastic gears inside this 2-speed transmission is absolutely perfect for all kind of crawling. You can see I have upgraded, I have also included metal drive shafts here. These are cheap metal drive shafts. I will recommend you to buy the black ones. I'll put all the purchase links in my description. One more thing I want to tell you about this 2-speed gear is that you won't be able to use metal links like this in the rear because these plastic ones have a curved design while the metal links are straight. And this servo, which changes the gears in the 2-speed transmission, takes up much space. Now the gear changes using this servo. Now this is the first gear. Now this is the second gear where the rod is pulled to the outside using the spring. So this is how this 2-speed transmission works in WPL. Just watch this video till the end to see its capabilities. And don't forget to subscribe.
Really? You know, it's a ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಯಾರಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮುಂದೆ